Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to recover your Gmail account if you have forgotten your password or can't access your account for any reason. Losing access to your Gmail account can be stressful, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the recovery process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser. Navigate to Gmail sign-in page. You can do this by typing gmail.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you can't remember your password or having trouble signing in, click on Forget Password link in the sign-in form. So first we will write our email and next click on Forget Password. On the account recovery page, enter the email address associated with your Gmail account and then click Next. Gmail will ask you to verify your identity to ensure account security. Depending on your account recovery options, you may need to provide your phone number, answer security questions, or use another email address. We'll just click on Continue. Tap on Continue once more. Since I have a fingerprint reader, it is asking me to scan my fingerprint. Click on OK, Continue button. Configure my account. Congratulations, you have successfully recovered your Gmail account. You can now log in with your new password and access all your emails and other Gmail features. And there you have it. That's how you recover your Gmail account step by step. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.